Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Calculating Probabilities worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on calculating probabilities. Now, there is a lesson on this particular topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide you'll be directed to click on a link. And if you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's have a look what's required here. What do we have to do? Number one, when a coin is tossed, what is the probability that a tail will show up? Okay, so we need the probability that a tail will show up. That's what we're after. Number two, when a die is rolled, what is the probability that a 5 will show up? So picture the die in your head, which is singular of dice. What are all the possibilities on that die? And then we have to work out the probability that this number will show up. When a die is rolled, what is the probability that an odd number will show up? Again, what are all the different possibilities on the die? What are the odd numbers? And then we can work out the probability. When a die is rolled, what is the probability that a factor of 6 will show up? So we have to remember what the word factor means, and that's in a much earlier lesson. So we have to look at the factors of 6 that are on the die. Next one. What is the probability of picking the month that you were born if each month was written on a separate piece of paper and placed in a box? So all the months are written on a separate piece of paper. They're placed in a box. You can't see what they are. You put your hand in the box and you try and pick the month that you were born. What's the probability of that happening? Number 6. Here we have a box and we have all these marbles here. So just to make sure you know the colours, we've got blue marbles, yellow marbles, green and pink. And there are 3 parts to the question. What is the probability of picking a green marble from the above box? Express the answer as a fraction. Part B. What is the probability of picking a pink marble from the above box? Express the answer as a decimal. And lastly, what is the probability of picking a blue marble from the above box? Express the answer as a percentage. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice calculating different probabilities of certain things happening. If you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of these examples. It will actually give you a process to go through, and it's quite straightforward working out all these answers if you're familiar with that process.